Surviving back-to-back snowstorms. Roof snow removal and cozy winter meals. Humble life in a countryside. At the beginning of February, we got hit with a week-long snowstorm. And a ton of snow piled up on our roof. We had to get someone to clear it off. And finally, natural light started coming through on the second floor. But after a week of calm weather, another heavy snowstorm showed up. And lasted over a week, piling up snow again and blocking the windows on the second floor. It got dark up there all over again. It's crazy how much snow we got in such a short time. We haven't really been out much because of all the snow, except I did make a trip to the tax office. I figured the roads were too risky to drive on, so I took the bus early in the morning to get there. When I got back home, I shoveled the snow in front of the house and along the street. Just another snowy day. With all this bad weather, my mom and I have mostly been living off the veggies she harvested last year. We still have hokusai, cabbages, radishes, and potatoes stocked up. Today, she made a delicious simmered dish with dried tofu, mushrooms, onions, and carrots in a soy sauce broth. We had it for dinner, and it was so good. Our neighbors were saying they've been recently eating preserved foods and veggies they harvested. Everyone's been exhausted from dealing with snow day in and day out. But finally, the snowstorm has ended, and the sun's out now, something we've all been patiently waiting for.